Arabic for beginners.
Picture this. You're stepping off the plane in Amman, Marrakesh, or Dubai. Heart racing, suitcase in hand, and suddenly you realize you don't speak a word of Arabic. But 5 short phrases will transform you from a tourist to a temporary local. Grab your boarding pass, let's learn them. Phrase 1. Hi, nice to meet you, universe.
السلام عليكم.
السلام عليكم.
Literally, peace be on you. Drop it like a mic when you walk into a shop, a taxi, or someone's living room. The reply.
وعليكم السلام.
وعليكم السلام.
Rolls right back at you. It's the Arabic speaker's secret handshake, minus the awkward elbow bump. Phrase 2. Say thanks. Sound classy. Next card in your back pocket.
شكرا.
شكرا.
That's it. One syllable to say thank you. When the barista hands you cardamom coffee or the hotel guy lugs your bags upstairs. If he answers,
عفوا.
عفوا.
smile. You've just heard you're welcome. Phrase 3. Yes, no, done. Need to confirm plans?
نعم.
نعم.
Need to duck out of that 3rd helping of couscous?
لا.
لا.
String them together. T and.
لا. شكرا.
And just like that, you're negotiating in Arabic. Phrase 4. The price is right move. You spot a hand-painted ceramic plate, and your wallet's already sweating. Ask,
بكم هذا.
بكم هذا.
how much is this? The vendor replies. You nod sagely, even if the number sounds like lottery math, because you asked like a pro. Phrase 5. Exit like a diplomat. When it's time to leave, hit them with.
مع السلامة.
مع السلامة.
Translation. Go with safety. It's like saying take care and peace out in one neat package. Say it walking out of the spice souk, the cafe, or your new friend's grandmother's house. Instant respect. Rapid recap.
السلام عليكم.
السلام عليكم.
شكرا.
شكرا.
نعم. لا.
نعم. لا.
بكم هذا.
بكم هذا.
مع السلامة.
مع السلامة.
Use these 5 and you won't just survive the Arab world. You'll charm it. Next flight's boarding. See you on the other side.
مع السلامة.